Welcome to MunroMotors.com. Here we have a 2006 Chevrolet Corvette Z06 1SB or 2LZ in US terms in Velocity Yellow. Just a beautiful color, one owner car, low kilometers. Wow, really happy about it. It's awesome. Have a look in the back here. Lots of room to put your golf clubs. And over in here is the battery down in there. And then that's a little compartment there. And then in this compartment over here is the front license plate, which has never been installed. That could be you too, not sure about you. And then this one's the cargo area cover, and the cargo net is there as well. So all the features are with it. It's got the NPP performance exhaust, a nice wide body. It's a magnificent car to drive. I remember when selling these brand new, it was just a thrill to see them come off the truck. Just beautiful. Here's the polished aluminum 5-spoke wheels, the giant size cross-drilled rotors, the beautiful painted calipers, painted red, nice molded mud flaps to cover that extra wide body that you see there. On the inside here, it's got the baseball stitching and the embroidered stitch Z06 into the seats. Nice perforated leather, so the luxury leather interior. And have a look at the door frames there. Will I show you that in the glove box are the books. Not only the books there, but the nav discs. All 4 nav discs are there as well. I'm going to try and see if I can get you the codes there. 1SB, as you can see. So everything just as we said. Beautiful car. Wow. The paint is magnificent. I hope you can see how beautiful that is in the video. I mean, it is just a gorgeous paint job. It looks fabulous. Nice original paint. Velocity yellow. Have a look at the tires here. No curb rash, no issues. Look at the giant size pan on that. That's crazy. And then the huge rotors there to stop. Because if you're going to take this 7-liter, 427 cubic inch engine that produces 505 naturally aspirated horsepower and push it along, you better be able to stop. So that's the advantage of having those beautiful brakes. Look at the engine there. There is no corrosion whatsoever on any of those parts. The car looks brand new still. It is an incredible piece of art, really. The hood mat's in great shape. No issues there as well. Just a beautiful car. On the front hood lamps here, headlamps, there are no crazing, no issues, no bugs, no nothing, just a beauty. On this lamp over here, same thing, it looks fabulous, nice and clear. There's a little bit of a rub that's happened down there on the bottom, nothing major at all. The wheels look fabulous, no curb rash, beautiful tires, giant size brakes, painted rotors, painted calipers, just beautiful. Have a look at this one too. Same thing, gorgeous. On the driver's door here, we've got the driver memory package, power windows, power locks, power mirrors, Bose sound system, the 8-way power seat over here, and the stitched seat as well. So let's climb in and fire this one up. So we've got tilt wheel here and telescopic wheel over here. But wow, that is fabulous. Listen to that. That roar, that is incredible. Now it's got NPP, so with NPP, it's quiet until you get it going and then it opens up. So it's got the heads-up display that you see there, and you should also be able to see right there. It's got the driver information center over here, factory navigation right here, so let's put the nav on. We'll agree and hit nav, and there you have nav. Dual zone automatic air conditioning, heated leather seats. Nice 6-speed manual transmission right there, traction control button, take it off, have some fun, power outlet in here, and then dual cup holders in here. We do have garage door opener up there and visor vanity illuminated mirrors there. It came with factory auto dimming mirrors up there so that you have a compass and a mirror in that one. Everything's awesome, just in great condition. What a fabulous car. I'm going to fire it off and turn it on again, because when I start it up, the exhaust is open and then it closes. So ready? So when it first starts up, you'll hear it louder, and then when it goes under load, it'll really open up. And there's your power trunk, power tailgate right there. Have a look in the door frames as I'm getting out. Just wow, what a fabulous car. check out down this body. See how wide that is. Look at that. Nice big fenders. The NPP performance exhaust with the valves that open. You can see them there. They open up butterflies and open it up to a full, complete open exhaust. Traditional round tail lights. What a beauty. Here, have a look down that side there. Look at that wide body. Gorgeous. What a car. So there you have it, folks. That's a 2006 Chevrolet Corvette Z06 1SB Canadian car, low kilometers, here and available at munromotors.com. Hey, come on down and have a look at this one for yourself. I'll look forward to seeing you real soon.